Tamasa Cherry Blossom Festival labu ban pelong ha khatsan bat khat riu Tarik Naiwieng ha Kaba ka jula kan trailang bat ka Japan la pentip menteri katnat kam jungo kai uba po lingdo enin Arsngi ka phang pedeng jong menta snem kalong the year of legends ka temu ban kring yakinong wan jungo kai nakari bat nabari ru kumju ha kan tamasa kin don ki jing pelong ya ki jing tem jing put rock pop R&B Bollywood Indai bat Bollywood pop kamtam kinong tem bapau nam ka Meghalaya The Great Society kan tem biang hadian live sans nem kiban lam khmat ya kene ka tamasa kan dei ka Bonnie M ka ban don ya kanong seng ya kene ka kanhun ka Maisie Williams ka ban tem tang hashlong kum shibenta jong ka concert bakhat du jongki.
Cherry Blossom Festival will be held on the 15th and 16th of November 2024. Where, as usual, we expect footfalls to be immense, and we are also expecting travelers not from just the rest of the country, but even internationally. This year, we will be partnering with Japan, and they will be our official country partner. This year's theme for the Cherry Blossom is the Year of Legends.